How to encourage feedback and interaction on your release notes? Release notes are effective as a marketing and engagement tool only if they allow two-way communication. You will be leaving a lot on the table if your release notes are not closing the feedback loop. Here are some ways to encourage feedback and interaction on your release notes. Make the release notes more about people. Release notes is a conversation. Focus on people and you will have an enriching one. For example, rather than talking about a new feature your team just released, focus on how it benefits your target audience. Maybe highlight individuals from your team who helped deliver this release. It will add to the personality of your release notes. All this will help you evoke reactions from your readers. Make it easy to reach out to your team. You will hear from the audience only if you make it super easy for them to reach out. For example, put up your support team's email address front and center. Tell your readers where to find your product folks for a quick feedback session. Remember, the goal of release notes is not to generate a document and be done with it. Rather, it should increase engagement with the persona you are connecting to. Make it easy to express emotions and reactions. These days, emojis and GIFs are everywhere. Why miss the bus then? Your release notes should offer ways to make it easy for your audience to express their emotions. This becomes an important feature of your release notes if your target group includes the millennials. Mind you, even an angry reaction is an important one because it tells you that the people are invested in your product and its updates. Make it easy to share release notes on social media. If you have a strong brand, your readers will be excited to initiate a conversation or trigger a debate on social channels. Don't miss the opportunity. Provide easy sharing options right from your release notes. Treat release notes as just the beginning of a new conversation, and you will have plenty of useful feedback interactions with the stakeholders. Visit Amoeboids.com now to learn more about the automated release notes app for Jira.